Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this because I'm about to do a review on the new palette that just came out from Miss Papua Beauty. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. So Miss Papua Beauty has come out with two palettes before this and also a highlighter palette. And this palette that I'm reviewing is the third eyeshadow palette. On the website it says that the 30 color Miss Papua Meri WANTOK eyeshadow palette not only perfectly complements the islander skin tone, but also provides ample colors, shades, and textures for whatever your evening or day may have in store. The 30 color palette gives you more color combinations than you will ever need. Developed specifically for the islander skin tone by our Darwin Miss Papua founder. And on the website, it retails for $39.95. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look at this new palette. Ta-da! This is the new 30 Shade palette. Miss Papua Beauty Meri WANTOK palette. And at the back, it just has the ingredients, and all the other information that you need. It's cruelty free. So let's open this up. It simply slides out. And now let's open her up. Oh shit. It has a huge ass mirror. Love that. And it folds all the way back. Love that. So it has a plastic protector over the shades. Purple. I just swatched that. Pigment. Yes. So these are the 30 shades. I'm seeing a lot of like bright, vibrant colors. So there's 13 shimmer shades and 17 matte shades. So let's get into this and do some swatches. So I've already done the purple, as you saw. Clean fingers, and we're gonna do the yellow. For the yellow. The pink. The orange. Oh my god. Like, yes. Right? Yes. Now I want to see how the shimmer shades turn out, and I also want to see how this black is. So let's just start with the black on the pinky. I'm just going to clean up both swatches and do some of the shimmer shades. Let's try this blue here. Clean fingers. Clean hand. Blue. This bronzy color. Oh, yes. I like that. And let's see this pink over here. Alright. So what I want to do now is create a look. I already have my base on, so my foundation, my concealer, brows are done, and contours are done. Highlighter. Let's see how we go. So looking at this, I want to start at my brow bone, and I want to go with this light mauve palette. There's a little bit of fallout, not too much. Oh, maybe that was a lot. Damn. Wow, this could be a highlighter, definitely. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna get another clean brush and maybe go into, let's go something bright. So I'm gonna put this pink right in the crease here. Ooh, forward. Wow, the payoff is pretty good. Using a clean brush again to blend those two together. Another brush to, let's get this orange here, a bit more sunset-y. And I'm gonna put that into, let's say, the corner here. Grabbing another clean brush, and I think I want to go in with this blue up here, putting that in the center of the lid. And I'm just going back in with the orange. Now I really want to go into this lime green. I'm gonna place that over here. Let's get that same mauve and put that right in the corner of there. And bringing that up, connect that with the pink that was in the crease. So we'll go with the pink under the lash line. And then with the orange again to blend that pink out. Loving the colors, like loving the colors. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, put some liner and mascara, and I'll be back. Okay, so we're back. Went ahead, did the liner, mascara, put on some lashes, and I am just gonna set this face. Now we're gonna highlight. Now for the lips, I'm gonna put Ultra Matte Lip Shade and Trap from ColourPop. And I'm gonna blend that out with K. And then I'm gonna put a gloss from ColourPop in the shade Finders Keepers. And that's it. That's the look I created with the new Meri WANTOK palette from Miss Papua Beauty. Okay, final thoughts. I think it's a good palette to have. It has a range of colors and it's easy to apply and it's buildable. There was some fallout, so yeah, I think this palette is actually really good. I love the huge mirror that it has at the back and that it folds all the way back. And I just saw that Miss Papua has come out with a range of new matte liquid lipstick, so that would be awesome to try. Yeah, so I'm not really complaining. This brand is doing really well, and I can't wait to see what they have next for us. If you did want to check them out, I will link the website in the description below, and you can go ahead and explore their website. If you do end up getting yours, make sure to tag me in some looks so I can give you a like. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed to me, subscribe. Click the notification button so you don't miss anything. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.